To complete the Divine Creators Induction course, you will log into the platform, and this will be the screen on display. Read the information required to complete the course. You will have to submit the relevant documents listed on the screen by going to each topic. If applicable, download the forms, fill them in, upload, and then submit the forms once filled in. You can do so by dragging the completed form from your File Explorer and dropping into the open field, or clicking on the field, go to Upload a File, choose your file, then press on Upload and save changes. You will have a comment section informing you of any mistakes made on the document or missing information from the document. You will do the same with each topic with a document that needs to be uploaded onto the platform. On grades, once all documents have been uploaded, you will get a grading of 100 in order to complete the induction course.